This is West India Quay. This train is for ⁴ The next stop is Poplar. Change the stations towards Beckton and London City Airport. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
So you're going to wait?
No, we don't go.
The driver will be here.
You're trying to
That's why it's a film.
It was like a 10-minute shopping line. The heat immediately here, you idea here in India. I don't know why. Keep on here. So it's going to India
Mind the gap between this is Poplar.
I watch things too, right? I don't know, I still believe farmers. Obviously, I don't believe in real farmers. But like, farmers real. You do good. Like, God has a form for everything. You do good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
5 years. Yeah, 5 years.
The only thing I know about airplanes is when there's too much turbulence, like this,
Mind the gap, please. This is All Saints.
don't come early.
Yeah.
Probably
You
no
come
free.
early.
Yeah, come. I think please come. No problem. Nobody stop you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come. Here, friend as well. Friend will come, friend as well. I said, we are not sleeping in our house. They give us now money. Go back for it. Look at today. People like this.
This train is for Stratford. The next stop is Langdon Park.
Very clever. You see, I am B1.
B1 pallet here.
Yeah.
After 40.
Yeah. If it can get a lift. Yeah. Can get a lift.
One pallet here 90.
Yeah.
Five, six piece here.
This is Langdon Park.
Straight away B to B, 6 trolley here. Okay? One trolley 90 and 3 making here.
Thank you.
One day we are not coming early to the beach.
Yeah.
After 7 you go down. And that's the job finish. You relax.
Taking off here, can you check it here?
20. 100%.
Yeah, 100% check it.
20 is up there.
Yeah?
20 is up there. This month, 8 months. Why?
Yeah. You Marshall will work here.
Yeah.
You 8 more here.
Yeah.
Okay. This guy clever.
Very clever. He do one day now. He go, oh, I'll go to moving. I'll go to moving.
Yeah.
Very warm that.
Yeah.
This train is for Stratford. The next stop is Devons Road.
Yeah. Calculation here. Every week wages
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
Me taking no calculation here.
Me too.
Me morning time work here. Me morning time work here. Same rate here.
Same rate.
Yeah. Me no work here.
Yeah.
That's it. Same guy, lunch mine here. Same one here. Another people go over here.
This is Devons Road.
Me, that's why I don't like to join like that. Before, what does not stop me? Silly question like that. I don't ask you your food. My why you want to know? Oh, what food is it? What carry this? What is No.
Every day my lunch here.
Yes.
What food here?
Yeah.
What food here?
It's always the kitchen. And the bedrooms.
This train is for Stratford. The next stop is Bow Church. Change for London Underground, District and Hammersmith and City lines at Bow Road Station. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
Close, yeah. Yeah, close tomorrow as well. Monday start. The security man told me that. I know one security man in Canary Wharf shopping all day. He said to me, tomorrow, no, Monday morning.
This is Bow Church.
Wait, Mum, do we have to sleep by midnight or is quiet by midnight?
Outside here,
Yeah,
Mum, can we sleep in a good time?
morning time, you telling you direct. Me
I'll sit there. When I was sitting there, quietly, I hear you. As soon as you came in, you start telling me, oh, Monday I'll go to my pay you? And I said, I don't know. You know, I said, I don't know. If I get my thing now, see, if I get paid, no, I don't know. Like that. If I say yes, now, boys start telling them. Boys say, oh, yeah, they not going to when they pay.
Yeah.
It's not good like that. It's not. That guy is too rich. I don't like it like that. I don't like it.
This train is for Stratford. The next stop is Pudding Mill Lane. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
You one here before, they used to pack some trucks there. I don't know what they do inside this.
This is Pudding Mill Lane. The next stop is Stratford, where this train terminates. Please remember to take all your belongings with you.
No, they can't. There's just them breaking the rules. They touch the floor. It's called graffiti art. So what? They can use stencils. So like it's that has the shape. Oh yeah. But they're really big. Yeah. Because they have a really big. What's West-West? Westfield. There's also can we go Sainsbury's?
The next stop is Stratford, where this train will terminate. All change.
For London Underground, Central and Jubilee lines, Elizabeth Line, London Overground North London Line, National Rail and local bus services.
What is the train? Oh yeah, it is. I think. Yeah,
I said you would know the difference.
oh yeah, Westfield's there, that's why. Yeah, it definitely is. Because Westfield's there.
Sit back.
You see one day, make sure you go now, yeah? I said, make sure you go and get the address now.
This is Stratford.